Hello friends, welcome to this June edition of Monthly Viewpoints. Amidst the global macro uncertainty, equity markets are still continuing on the uptrend. In fact, in the April-May-June quarter, India has been amongst the best performing markets globally. On the global front, we have seen that the uncertainty regarding the debt ceiling in the US has passed. The focus has now shifted back to inflation and rates. At the upcoming meeting in June, the Fed is expected to pause. However, expectations for a rate cut are being pushed to December or next year. Coming to India, growth has been quite strong. We saw that the FY23 real GDP growth number came in at 7.2%, which was higher than expected, driven mainly by higher government expenditure. We are seeing that PMIs are at decadal highs, public capex is at almost an 18-year high, consumer confidence is improving, and the real credit growth is also quite strong. Crude prices have also been at a sustained level, and that is positive for Indian economy. Also today, we saw that the RBI has maintained its policy rate. On the earnings front, the Q4 FY23 earnings numbers were in line with expectations, driven mainly by the banking, auto, and consumer staple sectors. We are expecting healthy double-digit growth in FY24. Given the strong Indian macroeconomic backdrop, as well as the secular earnings growth, FIIs have started becoming interested in India again, and we have seen almost $5.8 billion of inflows into India in May, even as other emerging markets have seen some outflows. Domestic SIP flows have also been quite steady. Given the run-up in the Indian equity markets, the valuations are slightly above average. Hence, we believe that any returns from markets going forward will be driven mainly by earnings growth. Given that interest rates have risen, the returns from fixed income are also quite comparable, and we think that for an investor, a multi-asset allocation approach with equity, fixed income and gold in the portfolio makes sense. From a perspective of themes, we continue to remain focused on the domestic focused themes such as discretionary consumption, domestic manufacturing, and banking and financial services. We offer a basket of funds for investors to choose from. Thank you and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.